Good morning. In this tutorial as Bengali teacher, I have given many different topics and I do believe that you will try to explain about your viewpoint related to the topics that what is given to you. First and foremost, you know what is much formal. You have to give your introduction, then try to clarify about your presentation which is playing in mind. So let's start. I would like to come to you as an initiator. Please carry on.
I'm Suparna, I'm past graduate. Now our respective sir Vivek point, is this education enough for getting job? Our education system go its own tradition. As a student of WBPSC board, in school days we learn Bengali, English, history, math, etc. And then we don't think about job. Even our education system don't be aware for getting job. And then we go HS college, but we don't think how we get job from this type of education. We complete our study and then go for search job, and it is so late. If we get a job in private firm, a honors graduate student get job but very low means, except any specialization in any field. Who passed engineer, doctor, they also not get job many times. It's also depend their merit, but many times student prefer government job than private job. Also me as a math student, I see no works had a private firm for only graduate student. So if I try for government job, I see why am I do math honors. What is important of honors? It is only degree for any government job. But if we want to get a good job in government sector, their process, their study almost different from our academic career. If we learn this for teenagers like HS college, the getting job are so easy. But this awareness not in anybody, and when it's come to us, it's become too late. So many students are going depression. Job seekers are many, but job in not many, it is limited. So we try to think other way to income like business, any other creativity, and it's our education system teach this. And if our education system teach this, then many students are not in depression and they should not attempt suicide. I like to say that many actors leave their job and they success and they uh, come uh, come in acting profession and they successful their and then successful their own way. We should learn from this, and we should learn from this. And also who is want to be engineer, medical, it takes lots of money, and that's why many meritorial students do not go for this study. Should be our education system be changed, and taking money for any course should be decreased, and then our education system done their work better.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hello friends, and our respected sir, I am Sumitra, and I read in class 11 from MSPC High School. In my opinion, we everybody read till our time, but one time we need job for earning money. So when we give a WCS or SSC or WPCS exam, then we face many difficulties. Then we can understood that from childhood which education we have gotten, it is not enough for getting job. Which books we read, such as Bengali, math, physics, biology, these books are not necessary for getting job. Suppose when we take science in class 11, we think that it is a great thing, and when we do honors in physics or math, then we don't know that after honors what will we do. Again, many person do MSc, BA, but in spite of they don't get job, so they start feel depressed. For this, uh, for this, we should read books which are related with job purpose. If we take it easily, then we don't get job, because in exam there are 10 lakh students, but 1 lakh seats are available. So we have to do hard work, and maximum 3 to 4 years are needed for it. So their age become a great matter, and many person feel depressed. Also, if we read engineering or medical science, we think we'll get a good job, but in spite of it don't get job. So we must read WBCS or SSC books for all purpose. Suppose a person have done honors in physics, but he don't get job. For this, many person go to other country for getting job. So my opinion, education system should be improved so that we get job.
Okay, thank you very much.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to all. Today, my respected sir given us a topic. This topic is this education enough for job? First of all, what is education? Education means getting in our knowledge or increase our knowledge. But education has lots of process. like that engineering, doctors, LLB, etc. Suppose any student pass out from engineering college or medical college, so they provide campusing, do not provide job. And campusing sector always checking your merit, knowledge, then they are provide a job. But every people cannot afford money for the engineering LLB study. Therefore, this type students difficult to getting in the job. And we don't have any big industry in our state. For that reason,